Hey guys, I'm heading right now, guys, to Cultures. I have a gentleman from my Facebook who requests me if it's possible for me to make a review for the Beet Burger. This is a plant-based burger from Cultures. So let's go in, guys. Hi guys, and welcome to another food review. It's me, Paul Diaz. Guys, I have a special request. Special request from a friend of mine from Facebook. I believe he's vegetarian because most of the things that he posts on Facebook is about vegetarian food. So he asked me, Paul, would you mind if it's possible for you to make a review for the Beet Burger from Cultures? And I said, oh, why not? I'm not a vegetarian, guys, but I'm willing to try. And why not, guys? Vegetarians also, vegan people also deserve a space in my channel. Why not? So I'm gonna do this Beet Burger review for my friend Mohammed, and also for all my vegan friends from all over here in Canada and all parts of the world. So let's check on what we got here, guys. Let's take a look at this nice looking Beet Burger. It looks pretty nice, guys. Look at the nice packaging, everything. It looks pretty nice, I guess. Alright guys, so the price for this Beet Burger is $7.99, and in total came down by the burger itself $9.03. And what does it bring inside? So you're getting a juicy, flavorful and plant-based beef burger patty that is topped with caramelized onions. You're getting alfalfa. You're getting sprouts, a lot of sprouts, lettuce, and jalapeno lime aioli with a brioche bun. Guys, I'm excited, but at the same time, guys, I'm very skeptical and very hesitant to take a bite on this burger, guys. I don't really know what to expect. But the very first thing that when I opened the top, when I opened the top of the burger, the very first thing they gave me was a very strong smell of sprouts. It's like I'm in the market. Okay, guys. Guys, I've been through a lot in life, and this should be a challenge. But we're gonna face it together, guys. Look at how big it is, guys. This is ginormous. A ginormous Beet Burger. A vegetarian. Have a lot of sprout. Look at that, guys. Oh. Guys, wish me luck on this one. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Let's go for it. Alright guys, one thing for sure I can tell you guys, this is 100% Beet Burger. I mean, I like beets, so this is real beets. what you see there inside is nothing but real beet. It's not fake. So one thing for sure I can tell you is 100% beet burger. It's fresh. Sorry, it's fresh, guys. As you can see, you have a lot of sprouts. They're very fresh, and I never have tried this kind of bread before, but it's a nice looking bread. Nice looking bread. Got fresh lettuce on it. The aioli is pretty good. It said that jalapeno, it has jalapeno aioli. I don't know what is the percentage of heat, in case they have any heat, that jalapeno sauce aioli, but it doesn't, for me, I don't perceive anything. It's not really hot for me, I don't know. But everything else, guys, looks pretty nice. The only thing, guys, I like, I mean, when it comes to burger, I do prefer a burger, even I prefer a real burger. I prefer a real meat. But this really, I mean, it's not bad at all, and it's pretty good. It's pretty big. You're gonna get size. You're gonna get a good size for $7.99. You're gonna get a good deal. And they have combos in case you want a combo. You want a tea, and all the stuff. So I'm gonna take another bite. Not bad, though. Yeah, I don't think, I'm not vegetarian, but it's not a bad deal at all. And the good thing about this, the beet, when you're eating a beet burger or any other beet, for some reason, when I eat beet, it made me feel full. That's the good thing about beet. And that's a good thing, guys. For all of those of you who would like to get in starting a diet, are starting a diet program, want to keep your weight, right weight, I think this is a good deal, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna rate that burger right away. So from the score, guys, from 1 to 10, I'm gonna rate this burger, guys. But I'm gonna rate this burger. I'm gonna rate it, I think, a 9. This burger deserves a 9. It's fresh, it's juicy, it's fresh, it's big, and it's healthy. We gotta think about that, guy. We gotta think potential, guy. Potentially, it's healthy. And for me, it's affordable. $7.99. Not a bad deal, guys. So I do recommend this burger. Like I said before, I'm not vegetarian, but for all those my vegetarian friends who would like to give it a shot, would like to try something new and innovating and healthy, check on Cultures, guys. Cultures that are located in 100 City Center Drive, Mississauga, Ontario, in Square One. And they have more Cultures, guys, all over Canada. Just Google it and you will find plenty of Cultures. They specialize, guys, in this kind of healthy food. Guys, give it a shot. Guys, and I will see you soon for another food review of Paul Diaz. Take care of yourself. And sayonara, amigos. Bye.